Always lock the lock rock.
Sadly, she will not be getting driven today. I love you a lot.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to Ox Vlogs. Today I am doing a little project with Jakob. Love the charismatic there. These trim pieces right here, we are going to be taking these out. We're going to be stripping this, what was paint, bless you, what was paint on here, but now it is 2006, so it's kind of old. So now it just comes right off.
Those are dogs.
So we're going to do some acetone this, and we're going to be painting it red today. So that's our little project. You excited or what?
Very.
Cool.
Long time coming.
See you at Jake's. It's been raining a lot the last couple of days, a few days here. And Trevor was coming to my house, and there's like this one bad spot in my neighborhood that floods, and he was coming there at night and he didn't see it. There was like a foot of water, and it messed up his skid plate underneath and his fender liner. I'm just cutting the fender liner off towards the closest tab so that I can put the pin in there, because this is just shredded away, and we're gonna try and save as much of this as we can. Alright, so I went ahead and I just cut the fender liner from across because there's no more places to mount. There's no more places to mount there. And then I just got a clip from another spot in the fender liner where there's already enough. That's solid right there. Put another clip there. So the fender liner's good. Now we just got to work on the skid plate. So I know I didn't go in depth earlier on what we were doing on Jake's car, but we're currently taking out all these trim pieces. They were originally black and they were coated with some rubber stuff. What we did is I had Jake, myself, and Trevor. We went to Lowe's, picked up a new bucket. We got some 320 grit sandpaper, some Krylon red paint, acetone to remove that nasty rubber black crap, and we got some razor blades to help take off this before we take some acetone to it. Woo! We had to vacate inside because it's about to rain out there, because Florida sucks. Boo for Florida. Safety first. Gloves, man. My house. Check that out. You just rinse it across. That allows you to get all of the adhesive, paint, whatever's on there right off. It bubbles up like that. Can you give me that trash can over there?
Ball sack.
Yeah. I like doing projects like this with my friends. It's always fun. There's always at least, what do you say, maybe 200 to 300 curse words said throughout the course whenever we work on cars?
Yeah, that's conservative.
Oh. Right there, see? There you go, prime example. Alright, so I got all the adhesive off, and now I'm just going back behind it with some 320 grit sandpaper and smoothing it down so that we got a nice little abrasive surface for the paint, and making sure that it's all smooth.
Alright guys, Jayden's inside working on the door trims, and while that's going on, get my skid plate off.
Gonna fix your mess, buddy.
Yeah, fix my mess. So as you can see, this is no good anymore.
We're gonna make a video one day and we're gonna see how fast we can do a rotation on a car. We're gonna have 2 jack stands, 1 jack, and we're gonna have, do you wanna do a 4-way or do you wanna do an impact? We'll go full NASCAR style with an impact. Rotation, 4 rotations, see who does it in the fastest time. Whoever wins and does it the fastest gets 50 bucks. First one to do a tire rotation, 50 bucks. All right.
I don't think you want to lose $50, bro.
I'm losing 25. We're both putting in 25 in the pot. Whoever does the tire rotation the fastest gets the 50.
This guy already is
You
trying
just
to go.
admitted defeat, bro.
I'll knuckle you. I don't want to shake your hand, but yeah.
There we go.
All right.
That's the agreement.
That's a later video coming up. We'll do a tire rotation on Trev's car. All right. I'll go back over there and make sure he doesn't kill himself.
Guys, look at this dude right now. Jayden, buddy, you alright?
Sorry. Yo. Honestly, I was staring, I was looking at that tree right there for no reason. I started looking at it and then I just started thinking about the wrecks that I'm gonna be getting to. And it's just such like a wonderful thought. It's gonna roast the shit out of this, by the way. That Z, I like the Z, but
Stock Z.
hey, when I get my wrecks, you better be ready to get the sauce, bro. Fucking Ripperino. Tuna, no crust, bitch.
I'm due for another one in like 1,000 miles.
Where did you get your last one at?
You know that drive-in?
You're a fucking cuck. We know what we're doing, right?
Of course.
I need safety glasses.
Those Oakleys?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so a bit of a change of plan. Rather than ripping it off, we just zip tied it down here. So let me just show you. So it is now back intact, and I won't be scraping anymore.
Jake and Trevor left to go to Ace real quick. They're printing out a key and they're getting some super glue. We have to fix a few of the panels that we took out. Alright, so we're on to the next part. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat up the plastic a little bit and then we'll paint it. Back with paint. We got all the interior trim pieces done. We decided to go black with the vents. And I think Jake's gonna be a happy guy.
It's gonna look great.
It's gonna look great.
I can't wait.
Alright guys, so we got all the parts painted. We got the other stuff over there ready to be assembled. And we got the car over here. Unfortunately, we're just gonna have to let it dry. We're gonna have to let all these parts dry for the night. We may or may not have footage of us installing the parts, but we will for sure have a follow-up and I'll show you guys what it all turned out to be. So I did a mod to my car. It's called Rusty Ass Brakes. The only thing is that the gold application that you get from doing your golden brakes mod is that it doesn't stay on there. It's like this dust stuff, so it's kind of weird. This is day 2 of this vlog. I know the last part that I left off on was we were still at Jake's house, but we couldn't put in the parts yet because they were still a little bit damp and we wanted to make sure that they dried all the way. I haven't even got to see the car yet. Jake actually put on all the parts this morning and he's picking me up. We're gonna go out for lunch and we'll get to see the car.
Okay.
Uber for Jayden?
Just keep me recording. I don't care. Sometimes I don't be knowing what I want to name my songs and shit.
Hey,
I just be
you did a
fun.
good job, dude.
That shit looks good.
Alright guys, so me and Jake, we're doing lunch. Got the paint done inside of the doors and all the trim pieces. We're actually going to be doing some more mods inside of the car. I might be able to convince him to do the Alcantara dash. We're get the sticky applicator and then the Alcantara fabric sheets. That'll look cool. It'll look full race car in there. Jake, fun helping you with your car.
Thanks, man.
Alright Alright guys, if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. Click that subscribe.
Can we just admire that for a minute? Can we just admire that?
Alright, and he just filled his garage. What is that?
30 bucks.
30 bucks. Alright, I'm going to end the video again. If you haven't already, go ahead. Hit that subscribe button underneath. Drop me some comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also hit that bell notification at the bottom so you can see whenever I upload a new video.